Hi there, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. And we are at the beautiful Scottsdale Airport in the Metro Phoenix area. It's a hot day, but a beautiful day, and a nice day to come out and enjoy lunch with a view. And back inside there is a restaurant called Volante. Oh my goodness, you're thinking an airport restaurant that's good? This one is fantastic. Now keep in mind, this is basically a private airport. Private planes are flying in here, not commercial service. Lots of jets come in here. Lots of rich and famous folks come through Scottsdale. And this restaurant, though, reasonably priced and absolutely delicious. Inside, floor-to-ceiling glass windows with great views out across the airfield there. You can watch the planes coming in and out. There's also outdoor seating as well for those cooler days that you can enjoy as well. Now, in the meantime, too, the food, as I mentioned, is really, really good. An extensive menu. They do brunch, they do lunch, and they do dinner. Yours truly had lunch here, and I had the roasted bird, as they call it. Beautifully cut, thin sliced turkey on rich, melty, buttery, toasted bread that was just absolutely perfect. It had arugula, fresh tomato, avocado, and I had them substitute aioli mayo on it. Oh my goodness, it was fantastic. It came with some fries, a cold iced tea, all came in for about 20 bucks, and that's a bargain when you have great food with a great view as well. Full bar inside as well if you want to come out and do that. Now also, when you're here at the Scottsdale Airport, you're going to want to check out some of the history. You may have noticed back there there's that big plane. That's a restored biplane. And over there's also some touch screens that give you the history of the Scottsdale Airport. A big tribute to veterans as well. So you want to be sure and check that out. So you kind of get a twofer here at the Scottsdale Airport. A little history tour and then a great lunch, dinner, or brunch at Volante. Hey, thanks for watching. Please be sure and subscribe, share, donate, whatever moves you. And as we always say, have a great day. Better yet, a better tomorrow. And bye now from Scottsdale and the airport.